Right, next chapter. Classifications of magnetic material. Right, next chapter. Classification of magnetic materials. ठीक है. देखिए some terms, some important terms, some important terms. Right, reading in this chapter. Some important terms. Magnetic intensity. Right, first magnetic intensity. Magnetic intensity. The ratio of magnetic field in vacuum to the permeability of vacuum. To the ratio of magnetic field in vacuum to the permeability of vacuum is known as magnetic intensity. RS field, or magnetic field strength, or magnetic field strength. This is also known as S field, magnetic field intensity or magnetic field strength. ठीक है. तो the ratio of magnetic field in vacuum to the permeability of vacuum is known as magnetic intensity. Is known as magnetic intensity, represented by H. So H is equal to B0 by B0. Magnetic intensity is given by B0 by M0. How we define this? In what? The ratio of magnetic field in vacuum to the permeability of vacuum is known as magnetic intensity. Okay. So let the magnetic field in vacuum is B0 and magnetic field in and permeability of vacuum is mu naught. Then magnetic intensity X is given by B0 upon mu0. Okay. So unit of magnetic intensity. Unit of magnetic intensity, to find old unit of magnetic intensity is Oersted. Old unit of magnetic intensity is Oersted. Old unit of magnetic intensity magnetic intensity is Oersted. Magnetic intensity is Oersted. 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 Old unit of magnetic field. Old unit of magnetic field is Gauss. Old unit of magnetic field B is Gauss. The old unit of B. Old unit of magnetic field. Magnetic field B naught is Gauss. What is old unit of magnetic field? Gauss. Okay. So 1 Oersted is equal to one Oersted. One Oersted is equal to 1 Gauss upon permeability of vacuum. permeability of vacuum mu naught, ठीक है। तो this become one gas SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. The relation between gas and Tesla, one gas is equal to 10 raised power negative 4 Tesla. So write here 10 raised power negative 4 Tesla. 10 raised power negative 4 Tesla. Value of mu naught is 4 pi into 10 raised power minus 7 Tesla meter ampere minus 1. Tesla meter ampere minus 1. ठीक है। तो सिंप्लीफाई, in division on same base power subtracted, so 10 raised power negative 4 plus minus 7 upon 4 pi, 4 into 22 by 7 Tesla cancel out, so you get ampere minus 1 point come in numerator become ampere and meter become meter minus 1, ठीक है। तो that's 4 upon 88 into 10 raised power minus 4 plus 7, minus 4 plus 7. So 1 over state is equal to 4000 upon 88. When you divide this, then you get 7,000. Sorry, this is your 7,000 upon 88. When you divide this, then you get near about 80. You get near about 80. Unit is ampere meter minus 1, ampere meter 1. Okay. So 1 over state is equal to 80 ampere minus 1 over state. 1 over state is equal to 80 ampere minus 1. Ampere minus 1. So So thus SI unit of magnetic intensity is ampere minus 1. SI unit of magnetic intensity is ampere minus 1. SI unit of magnetic intensity H is equal to B0 upon mu0. H is equal to B0 upon mu0. To write unit of B0 is Tesla. Write here Tesla. SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. And V naught is Tesla meter ampere minus 1. Tesla meter ampere minus 1. Tesla cancel out. Then you get H is equal to ampere meter minus 1. Ampere meter minus 1. This is the negative power. When you take the numerator, then become positive. And meter is positive, so this becomes negative. thus SI unit of magnetic field, magnetic intensity, SI unit of magnetic intensity is ampere meter minus 1. Ampere meter minus 1. Ampere meter minus 1. Write this. Its other unit is Newton meter minus 2, Tesla minus 1. Newton Weber minus 1 meter. Newton Weber minus 1 joule per meter square. Joule meter minus 1, Weber minus 1. No, right next heading. Intensity of magnetization. Right next heading. Intensity of magnetization.